Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're in the Hux world, today we got Prado in the building and we got one of his new creations, so stay tuned. We're gonna check it out. It's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Hux world, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by Prado Design. Yes, he is back in the building. And the name of his watch face is called Mechanical Rotate. Now, in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The only difference is it's going to be lit up in blue, which I thought was a nice touch for the AOD mode. When the watch face is on, I'm really liking the look and feel of this. It has a retro look to it, matter of fact, in spite of the fact that it is a digital watch face. Now, what I like about it is that you got the hour dead center, very clear, very clean. Up at the top, you do get your minutes. Right up under that, you do get animated seconds. Now, flanked on both sides of the hour, you will get your day of the week and you will get your date. Down at the bottom, he's very generous to give us shortcuts. And weather is important to me. I don't know about you. My music, love my music. You can make a phone call and you can tweak your watch to your desire. Now, what I like about it also, that's your battery info. I like the look of that one, right? Add some character to the watch face as well. But overall, I thought the design was clean. I thought everything was very legible. And I thought it was a little bit different from what I'm used to seeing Prado bring to the table. But he got down on this one. So I got to give him 2 thumbs up. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is nice. This one is called Runner 3. It's not a bad looking watch face. And this video is going to do it justice, so I'm going to put up a picture so you can see it a little bit clearer. But in the always on mode, you're going to get a black and white thing, which isn't bad. It's pretty much going to give you all the info that you would get when the watch face is on. And when it's on, it is colored out, not a bad looking watch face. Now this one here is going to be for the runner in you, for the person who's into exercising and you want all your info and status right up front. This is definitely going to be the watch face for you. So now at the top, you will get your digital time. You're going to get your steps up under that, calories burned, heart rate information, miles walked or ran, and it is interactive. So if you need to go in and get more of your step status info, you can. It's not bad at all. And then you also get shortcuts right down at the bottom. You can make a phone call, text messages, and if you're into S voice, you can use that. You also get settings on this side, your weather, just in case you need to know if it's going to rain on you or not. And you also get your music player for your run. And if I single tap, I can pull up my calendar. Now, if I want to set it for a different shortcut, double tap, and I can put it on alarm if I choose to. And with a single tap, I can go in and set an alarm for the day, and I'm good to go. So I thought the developer did a very good job overall. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. And I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.